All right, guys, Old Gray Fox coming to you. I got a mysterious sound on the LT. So you Gen 5 guys out there, you want to hear, take a listen to this and see what you think. Maybe you've heard it before. I've never heard it before, but I'm going to ask the internet for their help, and we'll see what we come up with. When you hear that noise, I can physically feel the engine jerking. My guess, it could be the timing chain or the tensioner. It does not do it at higher RPM. Whatever it is, it's pretty bad. So I've never heard this noise before. I'm gonna dig into it and find out. But what do you guys think about it? Comment below, share it. You know, maybe somebody out there knows. I'm thinking maybe a broken tensioner. This thing is a fairly new motor. I think it's got 1,000 miles on it. It was just replaced. It's a DOD delete. Still has the VVT. Brand new phaser on this one too, because we had a problem with the phaser. But yeah, let me know, guys. Drop a comment below and let's see if we can figure this one out, and I'll get it ripped apart and we'll see if I can identify it.